coast is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We have runaway trains, and you'll see why. On a more musical note, just ahead I heard some new critters are moving in and looking to make a splash. Take a listen. We're almost there.
We're closing it. Lock them all off. You used to be able to see down in the splash now.
Frontierland Station.
They locked them all off.
Sit tight and hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding them. That'll help make room for any new buckaroos. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Well, folks, remain fully seated. You hear the